Welcome back. Let's go join the action.
And then out comes in.
You better get louder than that, boys.
And here comes Goldberg, and there was a mark down his forehead. Even tonight, a tag team match like no other in the history of professional wrestling. Are you ready?
We're ready!
Oh, yeah! Mile High City, are you ready?
We are ready, Buck!
For the millions watching around the world and the thousands right here in the home of the Super Bowl champion Broncos. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Stomps him in the at a combined weight of 800. Over! Go over! Go over! Go over!
Welcome, everybody. We're here at Hoover's Monday Nitro, and we have a jam-packed, exciting crowd tonight. And wait a minute, what do I hear here? Uh-oh, guys. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, man. Oh, dear. It's Hollywood Hogan.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, God. The Rat Pack himself. Oh, man. Oh, man.
You know, I'd like to welcome everyone to another edition of NWO's Monday Nitro. I got 4 quick things to say, first of all. I got something to say to Diamond Dallas Page, a.k.a. Trailer Trash. Why don't you quit the WCW now and go back to being a garbage man? Secondly, I got something to say to the Wolfpack. It's quite obvious they don't understand what it meant when they said they were NWO for life. You know, they just didn't understand the for life part. Thirdly, I got something to say to all my NWOites. I love you too, just like I know you love me. Fourthly, I got something to say to my 2 main men, Buff Bagwell and Scotty Steiner. You know, everybody wants to wrestle the best. That's why these 2 tabonies, Disco Inferno, Alex Wright. Oh my God! Oh no!
You know what? In professional wrestling today, you have 2 choices. You can be a champion like me, Alex Wright, and the Disco Inferno, or you can be a loser like Hollywood Hogan. If I were you, I'd choose to be a champion
Come here, brother.
like me and the Disco. Let this be a lesson to you and to everyone else out there. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Discopy.
Woo! 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 That's my stuff.
Wow, you just heard the comments made by Hollywood Hulk Hogan, and these 2 guys, Disco Inferno and Alex Wright, are going to challenge Buff Bagwell and Scotty Steiner to a fight. I wonder if Steiner and Bagwell will have the guts to show up. And, oh my gosh, what's that? What's that I hear? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my gosh, the 2 biggest goons in all of pro wrestling. Oh my goodness, I don't believe it.
Look at this right here,
I
baby.
don't believe it,
baby.
guys.
Look at this arm. This is the biggest arm in wrestling, baby. We're about to show those guys who those little fucks really are, because we're about to kick their little butts. Yeah, baby. Go, son.
I don't believe this. What is Alex Wright and Disco Inferno thinking? Oh my gosh, they go right for him.
Yeah. What?
A reverse DDT by Bagwell. Steiner's got Inferno. Whoa!
Buff the stuff.
Yeah, baby. Look at these arms right here, baby. These is too sweet.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe the comments made by Hulk Hogan, aka Hollywood Hogan. These two guys are going to try to wrestle Scotty Steiner and Buff Bagwell. What are they thinking? I don't even know if Steiner and Bagwell have the guts to show up. But wait a second. Oh my gosh, what's that I hear?
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
These little punks a little lesson, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh. Get up! Get up! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. You know, that's right. Black and white for life. Yeah, baby. We beat them four. Like, you see this arm right here, baby? Yeah, baby. Look at this arm right here. It's the biggest arm in wrestling. Yeah, yeah, baby. Yeah, this is it. Right here. This is the man. Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, here he comes. Oh, it's Diamond Dallas Page!
Tonight, Hogan is gonna feel bad.
Uh-oh, what's this? What's this? Uh-oh, I hear the black and white's music coming up. I hear the black and white music coming up. Uh-oh, we hear the music of Hollywood black and white. Oh me. What do we got here? I don't see them. I don't see them. Where are they? Uh-oh, here they are.
Oh, hey, NWO, black and white. Chico.
Oh, NWO, black and white. NW Hollywood, no one can mess with us, because we're the best. I don't know what trailer trash is doing. I don't know. Scott Hall is dumb man. That's all I know.
Yo, Chico.
So we beat Hollywood. 81.
Oh.
NWO. Yo, Chico, man.
NW Hollywood. NW Hollywood. Oh, yeah, Hollywood. Yeah, where you at now, Kimberly Page? Carl Malone. Look at the hero
Yo, Chico.
Come on in, brother.
Oh,
He wants more than that.
You want some?
NWO Hollywood always comes through in the clutch, because we're the greatest ever. My main man, Scott Howell. Big Kev, crying about him now. It's time for Hollywood to come in and take appropriate action.
Feel the
Bang!
One, two, three. Uh-oh, here's Diamond Dallas Page, everybody.
Tonight, you are going to feel the bang!
Boom!
And here we have...
I tell you what, brother, we're gonna take out Diamond Dallas Page tonight. Here's the NWO for that, brother.
Chico.
I'm gonna give them the Hollywood leg drop. They're gonna come to the outsider's edge, baby. Oh, yeah, we're too good. NWO Hollywood is I took out that tooth. I took out those two Debonis. Good. Disco Inferno and Alex Wright. What a man. I tell you what, brother. Ooh. When you're the NWO, you're the NWO for life. And being the NWO is too sweet.
Too sweet, baby. Look like they're about to make up.